And we've been trying to warn you guys for so many decades. Now we're heading towards a fucking catastrophe. It's gotta stop. We're gonna lose everything.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
Ito ang dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng mga bagyong gaya ng Super Typhoon Yolanda at Bagyong Ondoy.
Climate change
can destroy us.
And this needs to stop.
This is an urgent situation that compels immediate action.
It's time for us to wake up because our Earth is dying.
Temperature has risen.
glaciers are melting.
Weathers are out of balance. Oceans are warming.
And people are dying.
Earth is no longer a safe place.
Danger zones are everywhere.
And we must act now in order to save our planet.
Mitigate climate change.
Conserve water.
Conserve energy.
Be responsible.
Be smart.
Be vocal.
Lastly, take action and inspire others to change.
And change starts within ourselves. Climate change needs to stop.
Because we have nowhere else to go.
Earth is our
One and only home.